Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you a review of the AL100 vehicle lift for mobility scooters. Now, if you're not familiar with a vehicle lift, it's basically an application that you can install on your vehicle to transport a mobility scooter on the exterior or interior of your vehicle. We have several different vehicle lift applications, not just the one you're going to see in this video. We have some that work with pickup trucks. So you can literally hoist a scooter or a power wheelchair up into the truck bed of your vehicle, like the one that you're seeing on the screen now. We have many other applications. All we need is your vehicle's year, make, and model, as well as the make and the model of the scooter or power wheelchair you own, or the one you're thinking about purchasing, so we can recommend a compatible vehicle lift for your product. Now, these vehicle lifts are professionally installed. We have a network of installers nationwide. And if you want to learn more about any of these vehicle lift applications, give us a call with the number on the screen or visit one of our showrooms. We have non-commissioned sales experts that would love to answer any questions that you may have. And if you have a question that we don't answer in this video, be sure to leave a comment. We reply to every comment of every video on our YouTube channel. Now make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video so that you can get access to a special discount code. This discount code expires at the end of this month, and if you want to save big, make sure you wait until the end of this video. Now before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video.
Hey guys, I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Today I have a little demonstration on how we're going to use the Harmar AL100HD and the Pride Mobility Maxima 3-wheel. We went ahead and added the scooter. For this particular application, it's a heavier scooter, so to get the longevity out of the ramp, we decided that we were going to go with the HD to lift the scooter. I think it was probably the best decision we could have made on this. All right, so how do we get this big, heavy scooter onto this lift? It's quite simple. So Harmar has a keyed entry to the lift, and this toggle bolt makes this go up and down. So if you press down, the platform is going to lower right to the ground. Now this is powered by, on this application, we have a portable battery pack, a rechargeable portable battery pack, or you can hardwire directly to the vehicle's battery. This is a brand new 2020 Range Rover, so we don't want to tamper with the electronics, so we're going to go ahead and put this battery pack in. And that's what we've done. We have a swing away attachment on this as well to be able to get the lift away from the vehicle so that the hatch can open. But first things first, I want to give you a little demo on how to put the scooter on. So we can go ahead and really just ride on up, make sure that the scooter's centered on the platform. Like so. We got our back wheels in the cradle. And at this point, we've already adjusted our tension arm. Okay, that's like a piston-driven actuated arm that's controlled by this J-cam, which is a patent by Harmar, which is in essence a locking mechanism for this arm. So what we do now is once a scooter is loaded onto the platform, we can now press up on that toggle and the scooter is going to begin to lift. Now mind you, this is a heavy duty application and this is a heavy duty vehicle. And what happens now, once we get to a certain point, our J-cam will push up on this little pole, the piston if you will, and this arm is going to come down. As the arm comes down, it's going to put tension on the floorboard, which is also holding the wheels in place. So now we're going to go ahead and finish bringing it down until we hear the clutch, and you'll hear that sound. It is now locked into place, okay? So at this point, we have our scooter that we don't have to worry about coming off the vehicle while you're driving down the highway. This arm right here applies the pressure down, holds the scooter in place on the back and on the front. You have your license plate that is visible. One little tip, don't leave your accessories or your accessory on the back of the scooter. Make sure that you take it off. You also want to take off the front basket. And put these in your car. And at the same time, when you're driving, do not go over big bumps at a high rate of speed. You do not want your seat to come flying off. Okay, now on the swing away, in order to operate it, we have our blue T-handle, but we also have this safety secure pin. This must be installed at all times unless you're using this to swing it away. So if you're not swinging it away, it must be locked in. You do not want to operate your vehicle lift or drive with your lift without this pin. It must be in place. So I'm going to take it out just for now, and I'm going to pull back on the T-handle, and I'm going to slide and swing the lift out of the way. I can now access the tailgate of the vehicle, and this is that battery pack I was telling you about. All right, and this is how you close and secure the swing away attacker. Make sure that's locked in, and make sure that this pin goes all the way in. If it doesn't go all the way in all the way, it's not in the locked position.
You heard that thing? Good thing we got the HD.
And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Have a great day.